Ever dreamed of ditching traditional banks and diving into the world of challenger banks? They offer sleek apps, innovative features, and sometimes even eye-catching metal cards. But with all the hype, a crucial question remains: are these new players safe? Today, we're putting Vivid Money's card under the microscope. Is it secure enough to entrust your hard-earned cash with? Understanding Vivid Money. Launched in 2020, Vivid Money is a Berlin-based fintech company offering a mobile banking app and a debit card. It operates with a partnership with Solaris Bank, a German banking institution with a full European banking license. This means your money is held in segregated accounts protected under European deposit insurance schemes, up to a generous €100,000. Security features. Vivid boasts several security features to keep your finances safe. Here are some key ones. Fingerprint and Face ID login. Ditch the password hassle and unlock your app securely with biometric authentication. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a temporary code sent to your phone along with your password when logging in or making transactions. Spending limits. Set daily, weekly, or monthly limits on your card to prevent overspending or unauthorized transactions. Card locking and freezing. Misplaced your card? No worries. Instantly lock it through the app, preventing any further transactions. Transaction security. Vivid uses 3D secure technology for online purchases. This adds an extra verification step where you'll receive a one-time code to confirm the transaction. Additionally, Vivid offers MasterCard's zero liability policy, meaning you're not liable for unauthorized charges if reported promptly. Data security. Vivid emphasizes data security with strong encryption protocols to protect your financial information. They also adhere to GDPR regulations, ensuring transparency and control over your personal data. Areas for improvement. While Vivid offers a robust security package, there's always room for improvement. Some users might prefer additional features like transaction categorization or the ability to disable contactless payments entirely. The verdict: safe or risky? Vivid Money leverages a partnership with a licensed bank, European deposit insurance, and a good range of security features. Overall, Vivid appears to be a safe and secure option for managing your finances. However, it's important to remember: no financial institution is completely risk-free. Always practice good financial hygiene. Monitor your transactions regularly and report any suspicious activity immediately. Vivid Money is a relatively new player, so long-term user experience data might be limited. If you prioritize established brands, Vivid might not be your first choice. The choice is yours. Ultimately, the decision to use Vivid Money rests with you. Consider your financial needs, comfort level with new technology, and desired security features. Wrapping up. We hope this video helped shed light on Vivid card safety. Remember, research is key. Explore different options, compare features, and don't hesitate to ask questions before making a decision. Call to action. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Share your experiences with challenger banks or any questions you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful financial content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.